few days ago, I decided to take my son and sister out for a meal at Famous Bakery, a quaint little restaurant we had heard good things about. We settled into our seats, eagerly perusing the menu to decide what to order. However, our contemplation was interrupted by a frail old man, bent with age and toiling with a mop, shuffling past our table. My heart went out to him, seeing him struggle with his work despite his advanced years. I instructed my son to offer him some money as a gesture of kindness. As I rummaged through my purse for a $1, the old man disappeared from sight. I made a mental note to give him the money if we crossed paths again. Our attention turned back to the menu, and we placed our orders, while my sister and I opted for main courses. My son chose a trio pastry worth $1, which he relished with delight. As we wrapped up our meal, I asked the waiter for the bill, eager to head back home. I tend to be a bit absent-minded when it comes to paying bills, so I glanced at the total and handed over the amount without much thought. We bid farewell to the restaurant and stepped out into the parking area. To my surprise, I encountered the same old man again, his tired eyes now glistening with gratitude. I handed the $1 to my son, who gladly passed it to the old man. He thanked us profusely, his sincerity touching our hearts. Once we reached home, and I began to unwind, I came across the crumpled bill from the restaurant in my purse. As I smoothed it out, a realization struck me like a bolt of lightning. There was no mention of the trio pastry worth $1 on the bill. I was taken aback by the revelation. It dawned on me that sometimes the universe repays kindness in unexpected ways. Despite my oversight in paying the bill, the experience with the old man taught me a valuable lesson about the interconnections of small acts of kindness and the mysterious ways in which life balances itself out. It was a reminder that the true value of generosity lies not in what we receive in return, but in the warmth it brings to our hearts and the ripple effect it creates in the world around us.